Most students look at geometry problems like this and see a bunch of confusing lines and letters. But what if I told you there are hidden clues in these shapes that give you the answer instantly? If you can't tell a vertex angle from a base angle, or you're still confusing the hypotenuse with a leg, stick around, because we are solving this step by step, so you never miss these points on a test again. Welcome back to the channel. Hit that subscribe button and let's dive into these two triangles. Isosceles triangles, HJK, and right triangle, DFO. First, triangle HJK. Look at those double tick marks on sides HJ and HK. In geometry, those mean these sides are equal. This makes triangle HJK an isosceles triangle. First rule, the two equal sides are called the legs. Second rule, the angles where the two legs meet, angle H, is the vertex angle. Third rule, the third side, JK, is the base. Fourth rule, the angles touching the base, angle J and angle K, are the base angles. So, let's look at our options that are related to triangle HJK. As you can see, the first option is mentioning that angle H is the vertex angle. What do you think? Well, yes, angle H is the vertex angle, because it is the meeting point between the two equal sides, side HJ and side HK. Now, let's see the other option. It says that angle H and angle K are base angles. Do you think this is correct? Well, that is wrong, because angle H, as we mentioned earlier, is the vertex angle. This keeps angle J and angle K to be the base angles. Now, let's check the last option for triangle HJK. It says that segment JK is the base of the triangle. What do you think? Well, looking at base JK, it is opposite to the vertex angle H. So yes, segment JK is the base of the triangle, while segments HJ and HK are the legs of the triangle. Now, let's look at triangle DFO. See that little square at angle O? That's a 90-degree right angle. In a right triangle, the most important side is the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is always the longest side, and it's always directly across from the 90-degree angle. That means side FD is the hypotenuse. So how about sides OD and OF? Now those other two sides are called the legs. Now let's check the options given. We have two options for triangle DFO. The first option is referring segment OD to be the hypotenuse. What do you think? Do you think this is correct? Not really, because the hypotenuse, as mentioned earlier, is the opposite segment from the right angle. However, segment OD is adjacent to the right angle, so segment OD is called a leg, while segment FD is referred to as a hypotenuse. So, the first option for triangle DFO is wrong, while the second answer is correct. There you have it. Geometry is all about vocabulary and looking for those symbols. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more math tutorials. See you in the next one.